In this video, we're looking at a few differences in mounting our aluminum 240Z style bumpers onto the 240Z. See our other video for the majority of the mounting. It's on a 280Z. So we're out in the boneyard fitting this up on a 240, and this one's a little bent up, but some of the differences you saw in our 280 video is that we were using offset screws to mount the brackets. On the 240Z, you're using this inside one and this inside one. I don't have this tightened, so I can still adjust it in and out, but I'll go ahead and pull that off and show you the bracket orientation. But otherwise, it's, other than the orientation's a little different, mounts up just the same as in our 280 video. One thing is that because you can tuck this in so tight or pull it out, we are not trying to utilize the 240Z factory hole, because that'll limit how much you can adjust it in and out. So we're sticking with this hole that's further forward. It's still going to come with the M6 riv nut, and so once you get it where you want, you're still going to drill, put your riv nut in, and then mount it with the provided screws and rubber spacers. So I pulled the bumper back off so we can look at the orientation. You can see you've got your two holes here. We're using the inside one on this side as well as the inside one on this side. You can see that our bracket is angled up slightly on this side, and this is angled up slightly also. And then we're going to attach these brackets, which obviously have a lot of adjustment in and out, and then this slotted piece is where you'll mount it right here. So other than that, the mounting's the same as on the 280Z video we have, so take a look at that as well. These are available from skillard.com, and email us at sales@skillard.com if you have any questions.